Welcome, MBS. First semester Managed Economics, the Eco, the 512, the pricing under oligopoly, the Kulosiv, Kuloson, the oligopoly, the price, common, war, the non-Kulosiv, Kuloson, the oligopoly, game theory, the king demand, the Cobb model, cartel, the industry joint profit max maximizations, the market sharing, the cartel, the non-price competitions, the determination of the quota, the price leadership model, price leadership by the low cost form, the low cost price leadership, the form with the equal market, the Q equal the Q1 equal the Q2, the former with the unequal market, Q is not equal the Q1 not equal the Q2, the price leadership by the dominant leader, the price leader form, the barometric price leaderships, the T 2022 April, the group are gonna be the question number 4, the 15 marks 8 plus 3 plus 4. The problem solved is static analysis question. Managed Economics, the MBS, the first semester. Due 2022, the April, the MBS, the first semester equal to 512 Managed Economics. The group B problem solve is a creative analysis question. The question number 4. The study the following the situations of the low cost price leadership the model answer the question. Nepal cheese factory NCC and the Tasty Paneer company TCC are the only the two cheese producing from the in the town with a equal market share. The Q equal the Q1 equal to Q2. The operating cost of the Nepal cheese factory is the low, so that it leads the pricing and the Tasty cheese company has to follow it. The total demand function of the cheese in the town is P is equal to 420 minus 10 Q1 plus Q2. The total cost function of the Nepal cheese factory is the C1 is equal to 20 Q1, and the total cost function of the Tasty cheese company is C2 is 60 Q2. Let's start. Given total demand function P equal 420 minus 10 Q1 plus Q2. Total cost function TC1 is equal to 20 Q1, TC2 is equal to 60 Q2. low cost, price leadership, equal market, share. Therefore, Q is equal to Q1 is equal to Q2. For Nepal cheese factory and C P equal 420 10 Q1 plus Q2 10 Q because Q is equal to Q1 is equal to Q2. 420 minus Q 420 minus 20Q we know profit pi of leader price leader the dominant firm pi is equal to TR1 TC1 P into Q minus TC1 420 minus 20Q Q is equal to 20 Q1 420Q 20Q is square is equal to 20Q because Q is equal to Q1 is equal to Q2 420 400Q minus 20Q square the for profit phi maximization max d by dq pi is equal to 0, or d by dq 420q minus 20q square is equal to 0, or d by dq 420q minus d by dq 20q square is equal to 0, or four hundred minus 40q is equal to 0, or minus 40q is equal to minus 400 minus 0 0 4 10. Therefore q is equal to 10 units. Therefore q is equal to q1 is equal to q2 is equal to 10 units. P equal 420 minus 20q. 420 minus 20 into 10. Therefore P is equal to rupees 220. Pi is equal to 400q minus 20q square. 400 into 10 minus 20 into 10 square. 4000 minus 2000. Therefore pi is equal to rupees 2000. Or TR1 is equal to P into Q. 220 into 10 is equal to rupees 2200. TC1 is equal to 20Q is equal to 20 into 10 is equal to rupees 200. The pi is equal to TR minus TC1. 2200 minus 2000. 200 equal rupees 2000. For tasty cheese company TCC Therefore P 420 minus 20Q. We know profit phi of the leader plus leader dominant form phi is equal to TR2 minus TC2 P into Q minus TC2 420 minus 20 Q minus 60 Q2 420 Q minus 20 Q square minus 60 Q, because Q is equal to Q1 is equal to Q2. Therefore phi is equal to 360 Q minus 20 Q square. For profit over phi maximization, max d by d q pi is equal to 0 or d by dq 360 q minus 20 q square 0 or d by dq 360 q minus d by dq 20 q square is equal to 0 or 360 q minus 40 q is equal to 0 or minus 40 q is equal to minus 360 minus 0.0049. Therefore q is equal to 9 units. Therefore q is equal to q1 is equal to q2 is equal to 9 units. P equal 360 420 minus 20 q is equal to 420 minus 20 into 9. Therefore P is equal to rupees 240. Pi is equal to 360 q minus 20q is square. 360q is equal to 9. 20 into 9 is square. 3240 1620. Therefore pi is equal to rupees 1620, or TR2 is equal to P into Q. 240 into 90, rupees 2160. TC2 is equal to 60 Q2. 60 into 9, rupees 540. Pi is equal to TR2 minus TC2 is equal to 2160 minus 540, rupees 1620. Calculate the equilibrium quantity of the output price, the profit phi of Nepal cheese factory at a price leadership the model. Also find the output price or profit price the tasty cheese company at the same model. B. If you are the owner of the tasty tea agro company, will you stay at a price leader model when the cost function increase to C dash 2 240 Q2? TC dash 2 is equal to 240 Q2. B. For tasty cheese company TCC, therefore P is equal to 420 20 Q. We know profit phi of the leader price leader dominant form phi is equal to TR2 minus TC dash 2. TR2 minus TC dash 2 is equal to 420 minus 20 Q minus 240 Q 2. 420 q minus 20 q square minus 240 q, because q is equal to q1 is equal to q2. Therefore phi is equal to 180 q minus 20 q square. For profit phi maximization, max d by dq phi is equal to 0, or d by dq 180 q minus 20 q square is equal to 0, or d by dq 180 q minus d by dq 20 q square is equal to 0, or 180 q minus 40 q is equal to 0, or minus 40 q is equal to minus 180, minus minus 0 0, therefore q is equal to 4.5 units. Therefore q is equal to q1 is equal to q2 is equal to 4.5 units. Phi is equal to 420 20 q, 420 minus 20 into 4.5. Therefore p is equal to rupees 330. Pi is equal to 180 q minus 20 q square is equal to 180 into q 4.5 minus 20 into 4.5 square, 180 minus 405. Therefore pi is equal to rupees 405, or tr to p into q, 320 into 4.5 is equal to rupees 1485. tc dash 2 is equal to 240 q2 is equal to 240 into 4.5 is equal to rupees 180. Pi is equal to tr2 minus tc dash 2 is equal to 1485 minus 1080 rupees 405. If I am a owner of the tasty cheese company TCC owl owliste at price leadership model price leadership model when cost function increase to C dash 2 is equal to 240 Q2 due to since the profit the pie is still positive. Pie is equal to rupees 405. The C, the let. The policy's fact said the strategy of the removing the tasty cheese company from the market. It is easy task to remove all the rival from the market to NCC. They give you the critical comment. C. Critical comment. NCC NCC TCC TC1 is equal to 20Q1 equal is equal to 20 into 10 rupees 200. TCC TC2 is equal to 60Q2 60 into 9 rupees 540. TC dash 2 is equal to 240 Q2 is equal to 240 into 4.5 rupees 1080. Low cost form. High cost form. Dominant leader, price leader. Follower, smaller, small. Decrease price, out of business. Remove from market. Due to not cover the production cost, price, and loss. Due to will not cover the production and operating cost and price and loss. CC is low cost form, whereas TCC is a high cost form. NCC being a leader, dominant leader, price leader, can remove TCC from market by reducing its price such that TCC cannot cover its cost of production, operating and that price. Subsequently, TCC will start operating on loss and will be out of business. Good luck. Best of luck. All the best. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share and like.